So the first thing we want to do is we want to solve for this side. So we want to solve this to make it just a Pythagorean theorem problem. So you do 14.9 minus 9.6, and you get 5.3. That's also 5.3. So then you just do the Pythagorean theorem. 5.3.
Why is the vertical 5?
Oh, because this is 5.3 and the line is parallel. 5.3 squared is 28.09, and then there's 2 of them, so times 2, and then you just take the square root of 56.18. And shoot. 14.9 minus 9.6. And then you multiply the square root of 5.6 times, or no, it's just 5.6. That's the area, or no, it's not the area. Then to find the area of the shaded region, so 5.6 is squared to get the area. So we just take 1/8 of 5.6 and multiply it by pi. So answer divided by 8, and then times pi, and that should get you the answer, which is 22.1, I believe.
Could you go ahead and actually do it?
Yeah.
Calculator on the board, so no one can see the calculator.
So 5.3 squared times 2, and then divided by 8, and then times.
So hold on a second. 7.0225. What does that represent in the context of this problem?
Wait, is it the radius?
It's the radius of the circle. So
Yeah.
that x is 7.0225.
Actually, I don't think that is. I was doing 1/8 of the circle because it's 1/8 of the circle because this is 90, so it adds up to 90, so these are both 45. So that's 1/9 or 1/8 of the circle. So 56 pi is roughly the area of the circle. So I divided that by 8, and that times pi will be the area of the circle. So that times 3.14, 22.05, which rounds up to 22.1.
Now, incidentally, but the one thing I do want to bring up is, as soon as you know, as soon as you see, so that Caroline can see though, so as soon as you know this is 5.3 and this is 5.3, what do you know about this triangle right here?
It's an equilateral triangle.
Not equilateral.
It's
Isosceles.
It's an isosceles right triangle. And we know that an isosceles right triangle has legs that are the same. So if this is A, what's this side right here? It's also A because it's the same thing. And what is the hypotenuse?
The longest side of triangle.
It is the longest side of a triangle. But in the 45 right triangle, there's a special rule, so we don't have to do the Pythagorean theorem. We have to remember this. It is A times the square root of 2. It is always going to be the A value times the square root of 2. So if I take my calculator, take the square root of 2, and multiply it by 5.3, we get the radius. Okay, so I remember it from yesterday being 7 point something. I thought that was it. So we know the radius is going to be 7.4, 7.5 if I round to the nearest 10.
And that's the same distance as like the one.
No.
Like,
22.1 is the answer.
All right.
The, the reason I didn't do that is because the radius isn't as important because you'll need to solve for the area anyway, so it's better to just have the answer already squared.
yes, you could do that too. Yes, that would make sense.
That just made it quicker, so I did the
I don't
Pythagorean
disagree with you, but how
theorem.
many people in this room remembered that rule? 0.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted to bring it up. Okay? All right.
If it's 22, or if the radius is 7.5, how is the
divided by 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the sector is only 1/8 of this, right? So this is a 45-degree angle, and 8 times 45 is 360. So once you have the area of the full circle, you're simply going to divide it by 8. All right? Okay, so here is your new question.